Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on BeReal. So you might have just downloaded the app and then you put in a dumb username. Now you want to change it because you found out that your friends actually use BeReal and they want to add you. So what you want to do, you want to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're here, click on the three dots in the top right corner again. It's kind of small, but it's there. Once you're here, click on your profile at the top of the settings page. And here, you can see the username on the second option, and you can change it to whatever you want. To verify your username change, you have to post another BeReal for it to set in all the way. So until then, it won't lock in yet. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I would really appreciate a like and subscribe because that gets my videos out to more people. And that's all I have for you guys today, so I'll see you guys next time.